Hi friends, we come up with new video. Now we start with one new quotation and it is, it was as tough in those last minutes. Ekman, was summing up the lessons that this long course in human wickedness had taught us. The lesson of fearsome word and thought defying banality of evil. Now we start with our vocabulary learning with words, and at last of video you will get the lesson for your grammar. Today's first word is ABTA. It is an abbreviation, Association of British Travel Agents. Next word is abundance. It is a noun meaning plenty, therefore more than enough, meaning wealth. Next word is abundant. It is an adjective meaning plentiful, full. Next word is abuse. It is verb with SING, abusing, meaning use improperly or misuse, or maltreat or insult verbally. Next word is abusive. It is an adjective meaning insulting or offensive. Abusively is an adverb for abusive. Next word is abut. It is a verb meaning border on or lean on. Next word is abysmal. It is an adjective meaning very bad or dire or profound. Next word is abyss. It is a noun meaning deep charms. Next word is AC, abbreviation alternating current. Next word is small a oblique small c. It is an abbreviation which denotes account. Next word is acacia. It is a noun meaning tree with yellow or white flowers. Next word is academia. Noun. It is a noun meaning the world of scholars. Next word is academic. It is an adjective meaning scholarly or of learning or of no practical relevance. Teacher or scholar in university, etc. Academically is an adverb for academic. Next word is academician. It is a noun member of academy. Next word is academy. It is a noun plural with IES, academies, meaning place of specialized training or society of distinguished scholars, artists, scientists, etc. etc. Next word is acanthus. Acanthus. It's plural with es, acanthus, meaning spring herbaceous plant with spiny leaves. Next word is ACAS. It is an abbreviation, means advisory, consultation and arbitration service. Next word is accede. Accede. It is a verb with DING, acceding, meaning take office, especially as monarch or ascend to, used with +2. Next word is accelerate. It is a verb with TING, accelerating, meaning an increase speed of or cause to happen earlier. Acceleration is a noun for accelerate. Next word is accelerator. It is a noun, device for increasing speed, especially pedal in vehicle. Or physics apparatus for imparting high speeds to charged particles. Accent. It is a noun meaning style of pronunciation of region or social group, or emphasis or prominence given to syllable by stress or pitch, or mark on letter indicating pronunciation. Next word is accentuate. It is a verb with TING, accentuating, meaning emphasize, make prominent or make prominent. Accentuation is a noun for accentuate. Next word is accept. It is a verb meaning willingly receive or answer, like for invitation. Affirmatively. Or regard favorably, or receive as valid or suitable. Next word is acceptable. It is an adjective meaning worth accepting or tolerable. Acceptability is a noun for acceptable. And acceptably is an adverb for acceptable, which is an adjective. Next word is axis. Is a noun meaning way of approach or entry, or right or opportunity to reach or use or visit. Next word is accessible. It is an adjective, means reachable or obtainable or easy to understand. Accessibility is a noun for accessible. Okay, now friends, we come up with understanding grammar. In last videos, we performed the introduction of grammar, sentence, type of sentence, and the subject and the verb. You can see in my previous videos for these. Now we start with the form of the verb phrase. The verb is in a sentence may be one word or several. I visited Paris last week. I should have been visiting my grandfather today. When the verb phrase consists of several words, these are all verbs. They are either full verbs, auxiliary verb. Full verbs means these are verbs that can stand on their own in a sentence without reference to any other verb. They are mostly words with a dictionary meaning, for example, collect, make, send, suggest. An auxiliary verb. These are verbs which work with the full verb. Most auxiliary verbs are of the class known as modal verbs, which include shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could, must, etc. In addition, there are three verbs which can work either as full verbs or as auxiliary verbs. These are be, is, am, was, etc. Have, has, had, do, does, did, etc. These are called primary verbs, which can be used as full verbs and auxiliary verbs both. Now the parts of a verb. English verbs have the 5 forms illustrated in this set of sentences. Fiona walks, present tense, a lot. She has to walk, stem plus 2, to the railway station every day. Yesterday she walked, past tense, the length of Regent Street looking for a new coat. While she was walking, present participle, she met a friend. They had walked, past participle, quite a long way before Fiona found what she wanted. In a regular verb, all these forms are based on the verb stem walk. You simply add the endings ing, ed and s to create the other verb forms. Here are the parts of the verb presented as a table. Stem is walk. Present tense is walk or walks. Present participle is walking. Past tense is walked and past participle is also walked. Many verbs follow the pattern of walk. These verbs are regular. Other verbs like go depart from the pattern. So, for example, instead of saying goed for the past tense, we say went. These verbs are irregular. There are relatively few irregular verbs, but they include many of the commonest verbs, as can be seen from the table. The verb be is very irregular. Stem for the table is swim, be, have, and present tense for that stem for swim is swim or swims. For be, it will be am, is, or are. For have, its present tense is has or have. Present participle for swim is swimming. For be is being. For have is having. Past tense for swim is swam. For be is was, were. For have is had. Past participle for swim is swum. For be is been. For have is had. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you liked it, and please, if you like, then leave a like on my video and subscribe to my channel and comment for more such videos. Thank you for watching.